Welcome to Immaculate 4405. Here we go. We're going to randomize this list 5 times. The team on top at the end will go the person in spot 1. Team on the bottom will go the person in spot number 32. Here we go. Good luck to all. 4405. Let's do this. 1. Should be all teams there. 2. Of course, looking for Trevor Lawrence. 3. 4. And 5. Top team is Seattle Seahawks. Bottom team is the San Francisco 49ers. That's 5 times. Good luck to everyone. Getting rid of the randomizer. Here we go. Before we head on over to the website, check where you picked up your spots. We'll be announcing each one. Oh, nice, Ugg. Hey, Cam. Send the page a message, the Facebook page a message, or our Cherry website, and we should be able to help you out with that. I have a feeling that the money will just go straight back into your account. Alrighty, here we go. The pending charge will cancel and you'll get the money back. Here we go. First up, to 99, it is Ezekiel Elliott. And remember, as the break title says, it says in the description, first team the player played for. Ezekiel Elliott's first team was, of course, the Cowboys, the only team. I declined to play with LeBron. The Cowboys are with spot 29. Stephen Hugg. Geez, off to a good start already. Up next to 99, it is Antonio Gibson. I'm pretty confident, but I'm always going to look to be sure. Antonio Gibson. I believe that is Washington. Washington. And Washington is with spot 15. Joshua May. Oh, that's just like your typical big jersey card. There'll be nicer stuff later on. Auto to 99 from the Raging Cajuns, Elijah Mitchell. Elijah Mitchell. And I believe he is the 49ers, but I will confirm. Elijah Mitchell for the 49ers. Thank you. The 49ers are with spot 32, Ethan Becker. Up next, on-card auto to 90. Oh, God. To 99, Kenneth Gainwell. Got my ass. Kenneth Gainwell is for the Eagles. And the only team he's ever played for is the Eagles. The Eagles are with spot 28, Taylor Reid. Up next to 99. Oh my God, I see why people like this product. To 99 for the Cowboys, but not for the actual Cowboys. It's Tylan Wallace. He plays for the college team called the Cowboys, but he was drafted by the Baltimore Ravens. Nice card there for the Ravens, who is with spot 31, Ethan Becker. Congratulations. And then this next card is gorgeous. To just 10, Najee Harris. But look at that patch. Look at it. It is beautiful. I believe he's a Steeler. Just confirm. He's a Steeler. That is beautiful. Check that out. Wow. Congrats, Steelers. And the Steelers are with... The Steelers are with... Spot 4, Mark Bell. Congratulations, Mark. And that is a Mac 4405 done.